iTAC software offers innovative product solutions to support you in the execution of your production order, all the way from order planning to delivery. With the APS service by iTAC, you can plan and optimize your production orders. The intelligent planning tool helps you with the optimal use of machines, materials, and employees. The iTAC.MOM.Suite features a detailed overview of all production orders, including work plans and bills of material. All data, such as workplaces or production orders, is transferred from the iTAC.MOM.Suite to GANTTPLAN. You can then use GANTTPLAN to enter your plan parameters and target criteria. Then start the automatic planning. The planning results from GANTTPLAN are transferred in iTAC.MOM.Suite and can be used for production. Here, everything is visualized in a clear graphic. You can also plan at short notice using newly defined criteria and still always achieve optimal production results. iTAC.APS.Service, the intelligent tool for optimized production planning. If you have any questions, please contact our sales team or visit our website.